Hello, I'm Ellie and this is to tell you about my upcoming summer holiday drama workshops in August for kids and teenagers. They're online and they're in small groups. They run from the 3rd, from the 10th and from the 17th of August. You can book 1, 2 or all 3 weeks if you wish. All the workshops last 1 hour and run every day Monday to Friday. The first workshop is called Imagine. It's aimed at the 5 to 8 year olds and it's at 9 a.m. in the morning every day. The second workshop is called Create. It's for the 9 to 11 year olds and it's at 10:30 a.m. And the third workshop is at noon. It's called Ignite and it's for the 12 to 14 year olds. My drama workshops aim to spark the imagination, engage the student, connect them to others and develop their creativity in a fun, safe and relaxed setting. Book now to avoid disappointment. The registration forms for this course and my Lambda Blitz course are available on my Facebook page, Ellie Scott Acting Singing Coach. Download them there and they'll be sent straight to my inbox. Looking forward to meeting you and talking to you about any further questions you may have. Thank you.